the sound from my sister's room. You spend your whole life with a hero in the next room. You don't realize they're fighting battles you know nothing about. Last night, I heard her crying. Not loud. The quiet kind, the kind you try to hide. For as long as I can remember, she's been the map. The one who was already there, who knew the way. But the sound I heard through the door wasn't a map. It was just a person. And I'm realizing I'm not just her little sister anymore. I'm the one on the other side of the door, learning the language of being worried about her.